Okay, Deanna, this is the work I did. I separated from the original board, and I made little jumpers. I don't need to wire the LEDs because the whole problem was actually the main switch. SD card is in place. My KR speaker, 8 ohm 2 watt, which I use. Speaker is mounted. The battery is mounted in a keystone. This is how I test it. Using 18650 battery. Keep power. So negative goes over there, positive goes over there. You'll hear the boot up sound. So, father, son. So, it's very low pitch, and it keeps getting father, son as the main font. It doesn't scroll, which is very concerning. So if I were to tap it on, it doesn't turn on. So these two wires, they don't turn on, they don't boot up the machine or the board. It's no good. This board is, in my mind, defective. There's nothing I can do. So I did everything. I tried my best. I would ask him to get a newer board, and I should be able to help you wire it up. Yeah, I did the best I could. All right. Hey Deanna, and this is an update for Scott. He provided me with the original firmware. Like I said, I tested all the connections and the continuity. There is nothing wrong physically on the board. And just so you know, I've wired everything up, and the original Igniter Mini revision 4 works. So here you go. If I put this together, there you go. You hear it? Oh, there you go. Swinging motion. Clashing. Clashing. It's not functioning though. So there's no clashing in this at all, but there is lockup. So it doesn't have clash. I don't know if it does. I don't know if it should, but it doesn't have it. But the swing sensor does work. So let me see if I can turn it off. Alright, changing fonts. Saber Cinema.
501 command. Testing. 1, 2, 3, testing.
So yeah, it is working partially. Somehow the motion sensor, the motion, doesn't really quite pick up. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe the motion is correct. Oh, motion is fine. It's the clashing. The clashing is not tapping. Yeah, there's no clashing. But so far, it looks pretty good. So I'm gonna wire everything back in for you, Deanna. So I'm gonna put a lot of my time having to rewire everything back in, just to show that it is working as it should be. All right. There you go. Hope you enjoy. Okay, the repair commission is complete. If we go speaker, I use a PVC heat shrink to secure the two halves. Try Cree. Kill key is out. What I'm going to do is push the button. Main switch, auxiliary. Auxiliary is not hooked up. So, main switch. Green. This is the clash sensor. Clash sensor is over here. If I hit it, that's where the clash sensor activates. Phase is active. Everything works. So you can see it. Okay. Done. All right. Kill key. Back in. Hope you enjoy. This is Igniter Mini Vision 4.